How to deactivate Facebook account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can deactivate Facebook account. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to delete your Facebook or deactivate your Facebook account, you just need to open up the Facebook application, which is easily available on Google Play Store. After that, logging into your account using your email or your username or your number. After entering your username and all, after logging into your Facebook account, you'll be able to see this home interface. So I just want you to go to your profile. After that, you just need to tap on the settings here and go to account center. After that, I just want you to scroll down a bit until you see personal details, where you'll be able to see account ownership and control option. Just click on it and there you go, you'll be able to see deactivation or deletion. So simply tap on it. After that, in order to deactivate your Facebook account, you just need to tap on your Facebook account here and click on the very first option that says deactivate account. After that, click on continue. After that, click on continue as well. If you deactivate your Facebook account, your pages and professional and additional Facebook profiles will also be deactivated. So tap on continue after reading that. And in order to continue, you need to re-enter your password for security reasons. After that, you just need to confirm it by giving your reasons, and you should be able to deactivate your account very easily, just like that. So therefore, follow the steps and you should be able to deactivate your Facebook account. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.